Algebraic simplification challenge exponent addition. Welcome to Magic. Today we are going to simplify this expression. Let's start. The question is here three fraction. First one 1 by 1 plus a to the power y minus z plus a to the power y minus x plus 1 by 1 plus a to the power z minus x plus a to the power z minus y plus 1 by 1 plus a to the power x minus y plus a to the power x minus z. Lots of things. So first we have to try step by step. Look here 1 it's okay, but look here is y minus z, y minus x, z minus x, z minus y, x minus y, x minus z, but we need to simplify this one. So if we multiply a to the power minus y, look first we write this one. Here we can multiply this fraction by a to the power minus y. So what will happen? Look, a to the power minus y, then here is 1 plus a to the power y minus z, then plus a to the power y minus x. This is the first fraction. Second one, here is z minus x, z minus y. Here y minus z, y minus x, we are multiplying a to the power minus y. So here is z and z is in front, so we can write a to the power minus z. So here is a to the power minus z times 1 plus a to the power z minus x plus a to the power z minus y plus here a to the power minus x, we are multiplying this fraction, so a to the power minus x, same 1 plus a to the power x minus y plus a to the power x minus z. Now look here a to the power minus y. Now once we multiply this one by this one, so we can write a to the power minus y plus here look we can write like this. Suppose a to the power minus x times a to the power x plus y. This one directly we can write a to the power minus x plus y. It means once base are same, that time in multiplication power will be added. So here is also same thing, we can write a to the power, here is minus y plus y minus z, okay, then plus here is same a to the power minus y plus y minus x. Okay, so I hope till you are feel clear, no problem. Similar, here is a to the power minus z, and in denominator we can write a to the power minus z plus a to the power minus z plus z minus x plus a to the power minus z, then plus z minus y, okay, then plus this one a to the power minus x. So here is a to the power minus x plus a to the power minus x plus x minus y plus a to the power minus x plus x minus z. Okay, now look, it's a simple thing. Here is minus y and plus y out, minus y plus y out, minus z plus z out, minus z plus z out. Here is minus x plus x out, minus x plus x out. Therefore, now we can write, here is a to the power minus y, and here is a to the power minus y plus a to the power minus z plus a to the power minus x. Okay, now interesting thing, here is also we will get a similar thing, a to the power minus z. So here is a to the power minus z plus a to the power minus x plus a to the power minus y, plus then here is a to the power minus x. So a to the power minus x plus a to the power minus y plus a to the power minus z. Okay, now we can make a LCM where everywhere is a to the power minus y plus a to the power minus z plus a to the power minus x. Everywhere is similar thing. So we can write a to the power minus x plus a to the power minus y plus a to the power minus z. So look, once we divide similar thing, we will get a to the power minus y plus a to the power minus z plus a to the power minus x. So ultimately we can cross or divide this one and we will get the answer 1, right? So our answer is 1. It's a very simple math, very interesting math, and more important, this is very important math. Okay, so please make this math or write this math or clarify this math very smoothly, silently, no need any hurry. You have enough time, just try to solve step by step. So this video I am just going to solve this only one math. Next video we will solve more math. Till then, take care, keep practice at home, and don't forget to subscribe my channel MathJip. Thank you.